said you would do something for me.
Yeah, my brother. From the first day I saw you perform here, I liked you. So I want to help you. I will take you to the city. I got some connections in the music industry.
Are you serious?
Yes. All you have to do for me, get 1 or 2 tracks ready. When I take you to the city, you have something to present.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll take you to the city.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. I really appreciate this. This is an opportunity I've been looking for a very long time. Thank you very much. My God will bless you.
Thank you.
I really appreciate this.
But that lady, who is she?
You mean Asanwa?
Yes, is she your woman?
She's my girlfriend. She's my girlfriend. She has been the one supporting me in this village. Yeah, she's my girlfriend. Why do you ask?
Nothing. I just want to know. Get those things ready.
Okay.
Before I go.
I will do that as soon as possible. Where?
Have a nice day.
Thank you very much, sir. I really appreciate it. Asanwa!
What is it?
Asanwa. Asa, we are going to make it. Asa will blow very soon.
Amen. What happened? What did he say to you?
The man that just left. He promised to take me to Lagos to introduce me to the people that will record my music.
Are you serious?
I am telling you the truth.
That's good news. I'm happy for you. So when is that going to be?
He said he's going to take me to the city. But I should try and get 2 or 3 tracks ready. So when I get to the city, I will see something to present to the people he introduced me to.
Hi.
I have a problem here. I don't have money to record those tracks.
That might be difficult. Hey. But don't worry, we'll find a way out.
Hey, Asa, thank you very much.
I'm happy for you. At least you've seen someone that can take you to the city.
I don't want to miss this opportunity. I don't want to miss it.
God won't let you miss it.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's okay.
I appreciate it. I can't wait to be in Lagos.
This is the kind of girl I would have loved to marry. The other girl has nothing to write home about. If not that she's Achike's friend, I would have loved to marry her. Anyway, that will not prevent me from helping that guy. He's very talented. I will help him. I will help him. Yes, I will help him. I will help him. I will help him. Ayaka, my man.
Hey! Oga Ben, Nnuku Mmadu.
Ayaka, my man.
Nnuku Mmadu, the #1 man in town.
Ayaka, kedoki imelo.
If you go no,
okay.
no leave, no transfer.
Man, you do okay.
Okay. Look at, I look like God forbid.
I think God forbid you do okay. What is it,
Hey, today you came to Asa's shop. All of a sudden, you do an afro. And what's there for it?
Yes, my brother, I was there. I was enjoying the music. I enjoyed every part of that music.
Thank God you enjoyed it. Thank God. Hey!
That girl can dance very well.
Not smart, you know.
She is really good.
My girl is good. Nobody dances more than her in this community.
If not for the fact that, that girl is Achike's girl, I would have married that girl.
No, they are just friends. Nothing more.
Achike personally told me.
Told you?
Yes. That Asa is his girlfriend and he wants to marry her.
Forget about that. That one is just slip of tongue. They are not even talking about marriage. They are just friends. In fact, do you know what? Don't worry. Leave everything for me. I will go and find out from her.
Find out. That was what Achike told you.
Forget about Achike told you. I will be the one in charge. Leave everything for me.
You better find out for me. Oh.
I will do that. Then I will give you the feedback.
Okay, no problem, my man.
Alright.
Man, take care.
But it's okay for something.
But I can around.
I trust you. I know what you can do. Alright.
Man, take care.
Even though it's very strange that you will come back early today from the sale of this palm wine. Which market did you sell it?
I saw you. I saw them in the market.
This one I sold it in the market. Are you sure you not sell it to the evil spirit and bring the evil spirit's money to me? Are you sure this money is not evil spirit money? Stupid. the bottles in the package. That is speaking.
What will you ever change? What would this boy ever do that you will appreciate?
Shut up! Shut up!
He finished selling everything.
Shut up! Mechion, okay? What is your business with this money? Or with what I'm asking this stupid boy? What is your business, Amadi? Your only business is to climb the pantry. Tap it, bring down the wine, give to this your useless son to go and sell. And then he will bring back the money from the sales to me to keep.
Yeah.
Yes.
What happened to me?
What will happen to you?
Because it concerns the money. I need my own share of the money.
There's no share of the money for you. I spent my whole life savings on you when you were at the hospital. When you were sick at the hospital. So until you finish paying me of all the money I spent on you, all my life savings, you're not going to receive a dime. Not even one couple. 10 naira. And then you will not receive. So just go inside while I count my money.
I'm going to talk one year when I walk.
Amadi, shut up!
It has not gotten to this.
Go and tap and wine for tomorrow. Stupid man. Go and tap and wine for tomorrow.
This boy is trying. He's trying. Please.
Go and tap more wine. Get inside, stupid man. I can always again. You go tap and wine. Climb the tree. Tap the whole tree. Tap the palm wine. Bring it down and give your stupid useless boy to go and sell. And you remember it. Useless man.
Hey, I'm very happy for you. Imagine the huge amount of money you put on it just today. Mama, if you ask me how I got this idea of attracting people with music, I will tell you I don't know. I don't know how God just inspired me and gave me this concept. And it's working. Sister, let me tell you something. I think you and Achike are meant to be. Because wow, we are not meant to be. I don't even understand what you are insinuating. We are just friends, oh. Mama, I and Achike are just friends. Nothing attached.
Just friends. And the whole villagers are talking about it. I know you will not tell me. Neither will Achike tell me. But I believe whatever it may be, God is trying to show us a sign.
God is not trying to show anything, Mama. Because I and Achike are just friends.
Let me leave you both. I'm going to bed. Oh, catch your phone.
Because leave me alone also. No shit.
Asanwane maka, asanwane toka, achaluko ni soka, ifeke asambuko mo, obi mo posangone, obi ma sambuko mo, potela ni kwa chaka inova, achikono bamwaino, potela nyanunchi kaitaba, achikono pepe supo, potela ni kwa chaka inova, achikono bamwaino, potela nyanunchi kaitaba, achikono pepe supo. Oyimi me bona fio, achikono jointi yo. Anemi me bona potu, achikono jointi yo. Ichoni me bona fio, achikono jointi yo. Ichoni me bona potu, achikono jointi yo. Oyimi me bona fio, achikono jointi.
You're here.
Hope all is well. How can all be well when your brother has decided to put us all aside to take our music to the next level? Is it fair? And how do you think he can succeed in it?
He will. I heard he's making plans with Asanwa. Biko, just tell your mother so that he warn him for us. Biko, go to a serious warning.
You better warn him. When you get home, just warn him because me, I don't want trouble.
Girls,
You know what? I don't care whatsoever happened to him. Whatsoever you know you can do to him. It is your business, oh, and his own business. After all, he's no longer my brother. You can even kill him if you want.
No, just warn him.
After all, I don't want trouble. If Oma, let's go. Tell me when I
If you want to kill him, your face kill you. After all, I'm not a dancer. Give me a chance. What is it?
You better tell your mother to warn him.
I have told he's no longer my brother. If you want to kill him, you're free to kill him.
Oma, let's go.
Eh?
Eka, good morning.
Morning. How are you? Hi. You look like a foreign gizzard.
Oh yeah, kid, no way. This one you came here this early. I hope there's no problem.
Yes. I'm not a stranger now. Am I a stranger? I can come here anytime, any day. The house is my house. So how are you?
Ayaki Igbo niile.
Ayaka you see, you are looking so hamburger shop. Because how are you?
I'm fine.
Hey.
Can never change.
Hey. Is she hungry?
Well, I'm going to Okute's house. I want to go and give him money so he can help me get some provisions. Yes, he's going to Onitsha. You did not come to my shop yesterday. If we have you're really lagging behind. It's not tomorrow now. When we hammer, you come for lion's share. Nobody will listen to you. Hey!
Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm still with you guys. I'm with you. I'm still with you. But I came this morning for a purpose. It's about you and our man, Achike. Tell me the truth. Is there anything going on between the both of you? Apart from the one I know myself?
Something like what?
If a meaning or not,
who asked you to come and ask me this nonsense question? Who sent you?
The reason why I'm asking is I have a good connection for you. I have a connection for you. Very big one.
Just shut up. Listen, Ayaka, that you're my friend doesn't give you the right to come and ask me silly questions. I won't take that nonsense from you. Inania. Siebapo. Zuzuru Siebapo.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Final answer, Siebapo?
Final answer.
Are you walking away? Come and make it 50-50. Or phone a friend. She walk away. I don't even know if you do. All the worm in my stomach, they are doing riot. I'm hungry. I came here because of food. Uju! She's not even asking. Come, wait! Come and make it 50-50. Come, let's make it 50-50.
But wait, girls. How can Achike and Asawa take what belongs to us in this village? I heard that he's making plans to produce those music for himself. How can he do that type of thing in this village? It can never happen.
I wonder. So what do we do? Achike dance for Egwani.
Yes.
So now, he wants to make it as his own. It will never happen.
Girls, calm down. Let's protest. We must make sure he includes us in that music. And I've heard some of our members has gone to the city. For what? I heard he's even making plans to produce the music and make money with it.
It will not happen in this village.
It will happen. Let's go.
I am a fenatia.
It will not happen. No. It
will not happen.
What is it?
I've
After selling this palm wine today, I must save that money. I will save it. I must record my music. Forget the amputa. Give me Jimmy. I thought maybe I got you.
Jesus! Akara bread! Hey! Cookies. So you eat akara and bread? After all this your forming pretense, Nkobe, silencer, in a akara and bread, okay? If what is our body up near Punyo no na, I was seeing atia, akara gataku bread one.
Hey, what is it? Do I know you?
That Uchiego. What can you go no for me? Why are you asking that silly question? So you can actually eat akara and bread.
Hey, what do you mean? See, let me tell you, I'm not as local as you are, okay? I'm just trying to manage this. This village doesn't have what I want.
That Uchiego, now you look at pass. Now you look at pass. Oh, who look at for your eye? Look at the way you're eating the bread. Now without shame. I think you're pretending. So you eat bread and akara. Eat bread and akara publicly. You don't want to chop cookies again. They are not sending it from Abuja again. Pretender. You like me feeling funky.
Hey, shut the fuck up. I'm just trying to manage this.
Manage again. This is the only thing you know how to eat. Hey, oh! Asa one ka kwa America. Mami na attack na bed. Okute.
Nka mma koziro wa nwa nka apam biko kwen. Hey! Nne ka ngoro mmiri before osa agbawo.
She came, Mama. What is
So your sister, Jennifer, has left the house this early morning. Mama! 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 Papa fell from the pantry. Amadi! Eh? What were you doing that made you fall from pantry now? How could you ask a question like that?
Mama, please, let's take Papa to hospital, please.
We take go dinner, we take go corner. I don't have any money. Amadi, what were you doing that made you fall from pantry? You also fell from pantry. You actually this kind of question. Eh? Papa, hold on, I'm coming. Amadi, what were you doing that made you fall from pantry now?
Mama, please, let's just take Papa to the hospital.
We take go dinner, I don't have any money. You and your brother Chike to take him to the hospital.
Mama, you know I don't have money now. I for tole and where Mama, because
Amadi, what kind of trouble is this now? Can't you do somewhere here, Kano? Eh?
Why would you fall down from pantry, Amadi? What were you doing? Were you not looking? Hey, Amadi, you were not looking up where? You don't know where you used to put your leg. Eh? What do you want me to do now? Hey, Amadi. Okay. Don't touch my leg, go. Hey. Okay. You and your brother should look at what to do. My brother, shishi,
Ayaka. Babam, ayaka ya diko. Ayaka.
How do I am kafaya bam?
Ayaka. Do you mean she did not tell you anything?
Chakwa.
Serious?
You know they like keeping secrets.
I don't know.
You don't know.
How would I know?
They like keeping secret.
But, Ayaka, they're your friends now.
Yes, they are. Do you know what? I'm going to force out a word from Achike's mouth.
Wow.
Just wrap around here. I will force out a word from you.
You know what?
No.
Let me give you something.
You find something for me?
Yes. When you sit down with him, have 1 or 2 bottles with him.
It's a very good point.
Let me get you something.
You made a point!
Ayaka. Jidenka.
Oga Ben! Nobody like you.
I'll give you more.
You will give me more.
Get me the information I want you to get from me.
Asa belongs to you. From now on, Asa belongs to you.
When you sit down with him, find out and get back to me.
Don't worry. For giving me this one, leave matter for Matthias.
I'll give you more.
I am going to buy the case. In fact, I will sell it and you will be the owner.
And what I want you to
do.
More is coming for you.
From today, start dreaming about it. Hey!
Take care.
Alright. Ben! In fact, I bless this vehicle. God will buy this vehicle for you. 5. Oga Ben! Akam Dinenu. Adim lawyer. Yes! Buberamia. Buoromopi. Blow the horn for me. Don't worry. Nekwagi. Nekwa Ocha. Nekwaya. Nekwagi. Hi! Can you imagine? All this for me. I did not count this money, but I know big car, big money. Heavy money. God will bless you and give you more cars. Nekwagi, Nekwasa. Asa is for you.
Asa! 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 Where's Asa, please?
She's not here. What happened? Why are you panting?
My father just fell from palm tree.
Hey! Onwuru!
Where's Asa, Mama? Where's she?
She has gone to Okute's shop.
Okute's shop?
Yes.
Okute's shop.
Come now! Hey! Mama, what happened? Your father fell from palm tree. Jesus! How? Why are you asking me how? I'm here with you. You're asking me how?
Chike!
Come, Ujunga, come back here! My friend, will you come back here? Oh yeah, bound no iso.
Mama, I wanted to help him look for
Help him
Asa
do
now.
what? Go in! Hey, but that Chike. You want to help him and do what?
Mama, Bikon. Papa is dying. Papa now wants to Bikon.
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Your brother has gone to seek for help.
Mama, this is not fair. Okay. You have money and you know it. Why don't you bring it? Can't you see Papa is dying? Papa has been making money from palm wine and you've been taking it. Mama, how could you be so wicked?
Shut up! Shut up! Ewu Gambia, shut up your mouth. Go and take again and announce it around the village. Go and tell them. Imarife. Come on, get inside and get me rub and water. Let me dab you.
Mama, this is not fair. This
get
is not
inside.
fair. Mama, this is not fair.
Amadi.
Amadi, what is it? I know you're pretending. You're pretending. I know it. The only reason I will touch you is because of this and why you're getting from me. Because I need the money. So I will just touch you. If not, I will not come close. Receive attention. Attention. Don't worry, I will give you. I will dab you water. But just get up here. Get up fast, and go and tap and wine for me. Do you hear me? Why are you romancing my leg now? Amadi? I know it's attention that you want. Don't worry, I will give you plenty of it.
Hey, Imemia, what am I going to do now? You didn't even tell me you'll be leaving very early. Am I supposed to go to Onitsha because of this small thing?
Asanwa, thank God you're here.
I saw that girl.
Asanwa, I went to your house. Your mother said you went to Okute's shop. I got there, I met his sister.
I went to Okute's shop, but the sister told me that he had already left. Yes, he was supposed to buy some things for me from Onitsha. He didn't tell me he was going to leave very early. Now I'm confused.
Asanwa, I'm on fire. My father fell from pantry this morning. Yeah. The wife said she doesn't have any money. I need some money to take him to the hospital, please.
I have some money with me. This is 7,000, the money that I was supposed to give to Okute to buy things for me with. How much do you need?
Let me just have all. Please, at least this will do. Let me take him to the hospital, please.
Okay, no problem. Just be careful. Take Okada.
Thank you very much.
So just be careful. Hey, God, please don't allow anything to happen to this man. Eh? Achike. Can't do anything for this man. Is that love?
Achike.
Ayaka.
Where are you?
Ayaka. Namu Dalenu.
Your father.
Namu Dalenu, my father is dying. I'm looking for bike here. Hi.
Hey. Father dying. Hey, whoa. Hey, Akwari. Better suya. Akwari na honama. Hey. Whoa. Expenses in this yoga. Hey, father dying. Mbakambeli Akwa. My father dying. I will take him. I will take him. Oh, father dying. This is what you should have done. Eh? This is what you should have done. Stop.
You are doing the right thing now. And not wait for me, Abuja, to come and do it. Eh? Take him to the hospital. It's okay. It's okay. So if you no come, we allow Papa to die here. Help Papa on Weber. Or Diroma.
Shut up your mouth. Mechiano, Amosu. You don't know anything. What do you know? You don't know anything. You just open your mouth and talk. And if you open it again, I will tear it for you. Come on, take this thing inside, Oiso. Go inside!
Mama, this is not fair. Or Diroma, he ain't my Diroma.
Come on,
why are you
inside.
so wicked?
Nonsense. Just look at her. What do you know? Take him to the hospital. Take care of him. Anyway, I'm coming there. I'm coming there to bring you back to the house. So, go and continue with that plan.
Kedu don't want to be here, no? Eh? What is keeping you Junwa and the pepper soup? If I'd known that Chike's father will have problem today, I wouldn't have bothered making this pepper soup because people rarely eat pepper soup without pame.
It really bothers me. That is why I haven't eaten since morning. Because my spirit is telling me that there will be no palm wine for us today.
Ayaka palm wine. That's the only thing you're bothered about, okay? You are not a good friend. Iburu is bombard.
Now, tell me, answer my question. What I asked you before. Ginachike Unonai.
Eh?
Yes, because I know what he told me before. I have my reason. He told me something about you.
Wait. Achike told you something. Tell
Yes.
me now, what did he tell you?
You see? I asked you to tell me your own. You refused. Now you want me to tell you my own. Eh? Impossible.
Tell me now, Ayaka, what are friends for?
I know we are friends. But let it be a topic of another day. Chorom sweet.
Okay, Ma choro give pepper soup. Just tell me. Osnai.
Pepper soup. Chorom pepper soup. Let it be a topic of another day. Chatogi there first.
You're not serious.
If I'm serious, if you like tap me from now till tomorrow, you will see the seriousness. Keep tapping. You mean you saw that girl eating akara? The Abuja girl?
Abuja Guinea. Where Abuja girl? That girl is nothing but Uku girl. She's a pretender. If you see the way she was eating this akara, that was how she stupidly came to this place the other day and started asking me about cookies.
Cookies?
Yes.
Mistake. I said it.
So annoying. Stupid girl. Fake girl.
Because the other day, after insulting Achike, she came to me, started asking me if Achike is really a musician. After telling her all she needed to know, she was persuading me, forcing me to tell her more about Achike. Now, she wants me to connect her to Achike.
She did what?
I don't know what to do. I said, let me tell you.
See, let me tell you, don't ever in your life connect that girl to Achike. If you do that, you'll have a problem with me.
Am I mad?
Cease being my friend.
Am I mad?
Buto.
Am I mad?
No.
Asa, you have a person.
If you go near now, when did it? You see that thing I was talking to you about? Okay, please quickly rush to the house now. Collect the pepper soup from Uduma.
How much will be my pay?
Don't worry now. But the problem is I don't have Pamio. The man that supplies Pamio for me here has problem.
I even heard that he just died, and that is what I'm coming from.
Guinea!
Chimo.
He just died. I heard that his son even rushed him to the hospital. He didn't survive it.
Let's go. See.
Oga! Oga! Hell! You pack
what is happening now? Asa!
Pack your things, pack, Oga, pack. Oga, you can go. Oga, please, so this is the bad news. This is the bad news. Oga, you can go. Okay, I was carried away. Oga, go. Please, Oga, go. You bring it. Hey, you brought the bad news here. Let me tell you. You girls in this village will think that I'm in this village wasting. I am not wasting. I have plans and I have sense of akonuche. I know what I'm doing. All I could let you people know is this. Please, let bygone to be bygone. Let everything die.
We will not.
You will not.
We will not. We will not. Tell them that we are monitoring you people. We are monitoring you. Any day we'll see you people having rehearsals. Come on, Come on. Let there be war.
Let there be war.
Yes, sir.
Let there be war.
Let there be war.
Ifoma.
There will be war.
Do you have human sympathy? Obitalo give million. Achike lost his father.
You are playing with
all you could think is about featuring you in his music. Look, let me tell you, he has heard all what you have been saying. Going around the village, telling people to warn them that you will do this, you will do that, you will kill people, you will do this. Look, he will be mad at you.
Story. When he could not even beat his stepsister, I want to come and beat us. Let him come and beat us. No, let him come and beat us. Come. Yes, nonsense.
I know him very well. I have warned you people. If you like, listen. All I know is that very day, hey, if you interrupt, akubegua ibiaya garabia, okwa kuogi, ofu akoba dagi anigu, ihe think akubezin, your face will turn to black.
Story. Who will give us a cup? No. Wait, who will give us a cup?
No. Are you now doing? Am I your problem? Am I your problem?
Is it you?
Come on, look at this one. This is Mbaji.
I want to look at the Supusienya.
Supunya.
Only for Abu.
Turn on black charcoal.
Ayaka is not our problem. Keep quiet.
Am I your problem?
Will you shut up your mouth?
You shut up. Shut up. Why are you challenging me?
What is your problem? What is your problem? Is he a chicken or you? What is your problem?
Just
try it. Try it.
Hey!
Come try it.
Try it. Why are you running? No. Come. Oh! Hey! I know what to do.
Go!
I should come.
Hit him!
I should come.
Yes, he's falling! He's falling! Look at him! Are you a man?
My daughter, you don't have to be like this. It now looks as if you're mourning your own father. Go on.
Mama, stop talking like this. Don't talk as if you don't feel Achike's pain. Achike lost his father. I'm his friend, so I'm supposed to feel his pain too. Do you want me to be dancing and jumping up and down?
But the way you're going about it, you locked your shop, you left even the pepper soup I suffered to cook, you left everything there. You don't have to be like this. Be cool.
Mama, please, I'm not in good mood for all that. I'm not. You and I know what Achike has been going through in the hands of his stepmother when the father was alive. Now that the man has died now, only God knows how that woman is going to be treating him. He's
a man. A strong man for that matter. He will survive. He has been managing when the father was alive, when he couldn't even help him. So definitely he will survive now. We only have to be concerned about Amuchi and those two useless
Mama,
daughters.
as a human, you have to... Mama, leave them. Mama, leave them. Achike is a very good friend. We all know how close they are. Please leave them. We leave her. She just told you
Umuasa, umunwa digodi.
Alpha.
Keije.
Udo dekwa nnem. O dekwa mana o desirokwa.
What is it?
Nne, something is about to happen. When it happens, you will not like it.
What is it that is about to happen that I will not like when it happens?
Tell your sister that we have heard about her plans with Achike to hijack our village dance. Is it fair?
I don't understand what people are talking about. Which of your village dance?
Don't even ask that question. Don't pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about. Which other village dance do you know? Achike no dance?
Informa, why are you speaking to me in this manner?
She's right. Let her talk to you like that. Tell your sister that we are not happy. We must all be in that video, else we'll spoil it.
We must spoil it. It will never happen. Nne.
Let's go.
You go and tell her. See this one. Hey, look at this girl so. You go no mwazia. Onye bo chichi pute egwu nwa ebu monko na egwu egwu. Nsogbu adiro. Mbochi nta ka I chọ no were nchi. Aya.
Lord help me come, save us from hatred. Ajobi.
Wanda, I noticed that they are dating.
Hey!
So, Ozagaro.
I really love that girl. I would have loved to marry Asanwa.
I know.
But anyway, I wouldn't want to come in between them. I heard Achike's father is dead. Is that true?
Yes, my brother. Yes. He's wicked. Stepmother killed him.
Chai! Too bad.
That woman is wicked.
Anyway, I really appreciate you and what you did for me.
Thank you for thanking me.
I really appreciate you.
Thank you.
When next I come, I'm going to see you. Then, when I come, I'll make arrangement as I told you. I'll pick him up to the city.
Oh, God will bless you.
Yes.
God will bless you, my brother.
I'll do that.
You see, the rich men in this village refuse to help him. But God has touched your heart to help. God will help you. But for the fact that you did not see anything to give me, but I know you will still give me.
You know how I used to give you.
I know. You are more than all this. You will give me double. Yes. God will help you.
Stop now, please now. Do you want to die? Why are you doing this to yourself? Achike, you have to eat something. God has been the one taking care of you ever since you lost your mother. And you know that. I know it's very painful to lose a father, but you can't die like that. Ichimu.
Asa, tell me, why would things change now that I want to enter my career full time? Tell me. I'm even looking for money to record the 2 tracks they asked me to record. Why is my own different?
Achike, you can't question God. The only thing you should be thinking about right now is how to bury your father. After that, you can then talk about your music. Man, for now, how would
that happen? Tell me, with which money? It's what I about me, but we don't know that it's okay.
Achike, calm down. Listen, I promise you won't have to go through all this alone. I'll be there for you, I'll be there with you. I
can eat.
Please. This guy has been suffering in the hand of his stepmother. Okay, now that his father is no more, how can he cope?
Somehow, I pity him. On the other way, I don't.
Eh?
He wanted to take our village dance to the city. Actually, we're going to the city. Now, let me see how he's going to make it.
Regina, why are you like this?
How?
You have to pity this guy for once. After all, this dance of a thing is more important than his father's life.
He's not, but...
We're not serious with ours. If you girls continue like this, I will give up. Now that he wants to make this music of a thing useful, everybody now comes out to fight for it.
Obioma, don't even dare to say such.
Why?
If you don't want to fight with us, just go away. Ha! Go away. Do you know what it means to show up in a music video?
Marom, tell me.
Someone wants to help him. Now, can't you see? He's going to make it.
Then let him make it.
He's the one that took it upon himself to make it. We are not serious. And when Papa Yang music video city. I'm giving up. I'm no longer fighting him over this. Okay. Now I know your mind. Tell me my mind. So you have been admiring him secretly? Imaburo. We shall see.
Mazik, you see that band from that fence?
Okay,
then,
that one.
Yes, to that palm.
Down to the other palm tree.
Then inside. Yes, that's inside. Let me sell all of them at once.
Okay. Madam Amoche, you know me very well. I am Mr. Ike, popularly known as the land buyer. I buy lands, I sell to rich men, people who can afford it. So how much do you want me to give you for these lands?
I don't know how much lands are worth here in the village. I don't even know how they sell it. You check it now, you know it's very big. Any amount you pay me, I will use it to offset my husband's funeral.
All I know is that I will give you what is good.
Okay.
Okay? I'll give you what is good.
Hey! So it is true! Eh? Amute, you want to sell my brother land? Hey! Dikeh, you are not ashamed of yourself. Look as tall as you are. Eh? You want to buy a land from a woman? Abomination!
What do you mean?
Abomination!
Why do you want me to raise money to offset my husband's funeral? Where do you want me to get money for it? Eh? Where do you want me to get money to bury my husband? What do you mean? I have to sell the land to raise money. All of you refuse to give me money. I will sell the land.
Mazibe, see, it hasn't gotten to this.
It hasn't got to what? Oh, Amute, you have the guts to ask me how you are going to get money to bury a man you killed.
It's you that killed him.
This is not his land alone. It's our family land. Ike, stay up! Stay up! Eh? Stay up, Ike!
Please, uncle. Come and buy this land. Let me have money to bury my husband.
Ajomwanye.
Yeah! Who will not buy this land now? Where will I get this money? Yeah?
Lord, help me come. Save us from hatred. Ajobi. Look down at us. Save us from hatred. Ajobi.
What do my husband people want me to do now? Where do they want me to go and raise money for his burial? Eh? Hey!
Mama, it's okay. Stop crying. That's what they will say. Yeah, this is how you pray Papa. Seriously, this is how you pray Papa. But don't worry, God will judge them.
You will judge them,
You will judge them.
You will judge them.
See how we can and all of them
they will be put to shame.
Yes.
They will be put to shame.
Stop crying.
Abadie!
Abadie!
What do you want me to do, Abadie? Ebele, where is that stupid useless son of you?
Mama, he's not yet back.
Abadie!
Mama,
Abadie, why?
Ayaka, are you serious with what you just told me?
Over seriously. If Achike doesn't love you, he wouldn't have told Ben that you are the one he wants to marry. So think about it.
But how come he never told me all this while? So Achike loves me this much?
Oh, you don't know?
No, he has never said that to me.
Hey, if Achike didn't love you, he wouldn't have told Ben that he loves you. So since the two of you have been together for long, just go and marry him.
You know Ben is also a cool, nice guy. But since Achike has declared his intention, I'll just go with him.
Good. Now you are talking. Just let me go and prepare for my suit. Can't you not about suit? Because I will be the one anchoring the program. So this good news, no one here pass Kenya. I'm going to more than milk.
My brother some more than milk. Biangwara.
I'm going to use straw.
Because I'm a punky.
This is a shop. I'm going to go another news.
Wait, in charge of man.
Okay.
So, Achike loves me this much.
Thank God I met you. I am just coming to your house. Hey, hey, Chimo.
What is it?
It's that Chike. If you go back, it is that Chike. I don't know what we have done to him. Achike wants to kill me and my daughters. He just chased us out of the house now. I don't even know where my daughters are. Eh?
Yeah, Amuche, you should know that I'm not happy with you.
If Amuche means oh yes, you are evil.
Yes. You think that Achike is a weakling? Oh, you did all kind of rubbish to the father when he was alive, and you think he kept quiet. It was because he was respecting the father. Now he wants to show you the real man he is. If you know what is good for you, go and give him that money.
Which money? Oh, which money are you talking? Now, okay, I don't know why you people are treating me like this. Eh? I don't have any money. Why you people treating me like this? Is it because my husband is dead and now you're going? Is it because my husband is dead? Could you make me far?
You wait until he butchers you and your daughters. Then you will know he's not a weakling. Wait, go, Kinye. You are evil.
Chimo, give it to come. I need you to talk to me now. How, Chimo?
Achike, this is wrong. It is wrong. Do you know if you mistakenly kill any of them, police will arrest you. And if that happens, what will happen to your career? You don't need all these things now. You still concentrate on your career. That's what is more important.
Asanwa, you see those people? I will so deal with them. They've taken me for granted for a very long time. I kept quiet because of my late father. Now that my father is dead,
Achike, you will do no such thing. Ignore these people. Ignore them. What you should be talking about right now is how you record your 3 tracks. That is what is most important.
Asanwa, the truth of the matter is that I don't have money anywhere. How do I raise the money? Eh? I need to blow in my music career. I need to leave this village.
Now you understand. Fine, what will happen is let's just go for rehearsals first. I will see what I can do. We'll find a way so you can record, even if it's 3 tracks. Yes, before Ben comes back, I will see what I can do. But for now, leave these people. Ignore them. Ignore them. They will set you back.
Hey. Huh? Hey, Asanwa. Tell me, what on earth will I do without you?
I will try. But stop fighting with these people.
I will stop.
Ignore them.
Thank you so much.
It's alright. Stop fighting. That's all I want you to do. Concentrate.
Mama, how long are we going to be hanging around here? Me, I want to go home. If he wants to kill me, let him kill me.
No, Papa. I forgot Naya to this boy. I forgot Naya about the Bagala. I don't know whether he has gone mad.
Mama, he's there.
I forgot
He's there.
Let's go home and pack our things. We're leaving to my village now.
How long are we going?
How long? Let us go first. I can see that the whole village are against me. All of them are against me. So let us run to the house, pack our things, and leave to my parents' place and stay until he comes down. Then we'll think of coming back.
Because
Lord, help me come, save us from hatred. Ajobi.
Achigoro Ogene Group. When?
Hey.
Where's one?
Hey.
We have good news. You know the man I told you guys that said he wants to take me to Lagos. The man said I should do 2 tracks, at least to have something to present to the people he will show me. So that track I want to announce to you that by this Friday I shall be entering studio.
Wow!
Okay. And he also said that once I get to Lagos and the people, if they love my music, that they will shoot video for me. And all of us will be in that video.
Yes, yes. Hey! I can't wait to be on TV.
You say?
I can't wait to be on TV. My people will be watching me, shouting, jumping up.
Not only you.
Hey!
Hey! Please, I want us to be serious. Like what happened today? We scheduled to come here by 12. When I got to this place, I and Achike, we stayed almost for an hour before you all arrived. Or the same man. If we have to be serious. If we say we are having our rehearsal by 6, come out by 6.
That's it.
In this way, we'll be able to get good relics. So that at the end, if Chike enters studio, because I'm sure we will make it.
Yes.
Oh, please, let's be serious with what we are doing.
Yes, sir.
So, but Achike, you have to increase your tempo.
No,
you understand?
Increase the volume of your voice.
So let's
let's rehearse more. Let's rehearse more. Achikolo one day. Achikolo one day. Achikolo.
What is keeping both of you? Come, let's go now. Because
Mama, we are cutting, no,
before this foolish boy will beat us.
Mama, I don't like this. I don't just like this. If I were a boy, will he chase me out of my father's house?
We are running because you are a girl. Yeah? Let us run. Because also.
Mama, let me lock the door. Let me lock the door.
Now leave the door.
I should leave it.
Leave the door for him. Let him come back and stay in his father's house.
Mama, for how long? For how long are we going to be running?
See what I told you?
Obioma, you have started. Achike will not go free with this.
Yes, what do we do? The other day, he's becoming brutal.
What are we going to do? Are we going to leave him like that? Yes, let's leave them. Let's leave them with the dance. Let them go and make the whole money.
The other day, my father told me that Achikolo dance belongs to everybody. Yes.
Let's separate and start our own. After my brothers are rich, I'll ask them, they'll sponsor us. We'll gather more girls.
Yes. One day they will beg to join us. And I am Mankwe. After all, we are beautiful girls.
Yes.
Let's make ourselves beautiful so that men will admire us. Let's go.
Anyway, let's go. Let's go. You come and meet us.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
Asanwane maka, asanwane toka, achalugo ni soka, ifeke asambuko mo, obi mo posangone,
I know I will make it. I might make it. Okay, Mendilo Femman.
I believe you. I know you will succeed in your career. That's why I support you sincerely with all my heart. Inugo, I know you'll make us proud. So first thing tomorrow morning, you go and record your tracks. Once it's ready, we'll call Ben.
How am I going to get 15,000 naira to do the studio book? What I will do is that once I get home, I'll keep pressing that woman till she gives me that money.
No. Achike, you will do no such thing. I don't want you to start having problems with that woman again. Oh, Ozuko, I will sell some things in my shop and I'll postpone going to the market. I'll give the money to you so you can go and record your song.
What did you just say?
Anything for you. I just want you to succeed. I just want you to be successful.
Asa, you've been so good to me all these years.
It's okay.
I don't know how to thank you. Asa, now that we're very close, there's something I want to tell you.
Okay. Tell me.
Asa, look into my eyes. I want to tell you something.
Hey! That no. No need the love. No, I'm not with them for. Open my camanyam the pocha. Hey! That one.
Ayaka will never change. You said you want to tell me something.
I want to tell you that my God will bless you. Okay?
Is that all you want to tell me?
Yes. And let's go. Don't worry, when I make money, you will know my heart. Okay? Let's go.
It's alright. Listen, I try to go with passion. Oh, you get seen abia, you never go. You not agree.
Asanwane maka, asanwane toka, achaluko ni soka. Ife kya sambuko mo, opi mo posangole, opi ma sambuko mo, potela ni kwa chaka inga.
Sister, you're welcome. Thank you. Sister, what is it? What is it? You don't look okay.
Where is Mama?
She went to see Mama, okay.
Sister, you're not okay. What is it? Can we go get this? I'm not okay. I'm okay.
What happened? Did anything go wrong at your shop?
It's not about my shop, it's about Achike. Achike. Yes. There's something I expected you to tell me. But you didn't tell me. Sister Mom. Sister, tell me the truth. Do you love me? Are you both? Listen, promise me you won't tell me. Especially fine. The truth is, I love him so much. We've been friends for a very long time. I see him as a brother. He was Tariana. I love him. But the problem is, I don't know if he loves me too. I expected him to tell me something. I don't want to help one. Don't worry. Maybe he doesn't know how to tell you. It's okay, he will. But he told Ben that I belongs to him. You see? If he told Ben that, then that means he loves you. Is he taking me time to tell me that he loves you? Sister, maybe he's waiting for the right time. Who told me? Give me the right time. And it's you love nothing. Give me the right time. If you love someone, you just tell the person now. What people are trying to call that one? Sister, you know, what we go save that is you. Happen to go na mo ways. Ete mo for her. Abaru siniru oh. Sister.
Where have they gone to? Where did those fools? Where did they go to? And left the whole house open. I guess they are running. Let them continue to run. I will chase them to lions. They thought it's those times they maltreat me. And they think I don't know what to do to them. They will so deal with them this time. So as someone loves me this way, what will I use to bring this girl back for all she has done for me? Huh? Oh God. If I make my first music money, I will come back to this village and make sure that Asa's shop remains the biggest shop in this community. Asa, you're everything to me. You're a sister I never had. Oh, Sam. I can't wait to hear that story tomorrow. Oi! Oje me. Oja di me. Achi ikoro. Obi ruo Ghana. Achi ikoro. Itala akuko ga eze ga ede. Achi ikoro. Achi ikoro. I can't wait to hear that story tomorrow. Achi ikoro. Achi ikoro. Obi ruo Ghana.
Ewo, Amuche, this is wrong. You are still mourning your husband. How can you leave the house and run away?
Brother, I had to run before that useless good for nothing boy kills me and my children. That boy is evil, you need to see him. So I had to run for my dear life before Beppo and Isi.
Uncle, Mama is telling the truth.
That is unfair. That is unfair. But what did the elders say? Or did you not report to them?
Uncle, those ones, those useless elders, those stupid good for nothing elders, you need to see all of them. They are all drunkards. None of them even want to hear my own side of the story. They just supported their son. So me, I had to take my children and run.
Amuche, I know you. It means you have not been doing well. But I will not pursue you. You are in your house. This is your house. So you can stay. But how long will you be running with the children?
I will stay in my father's house until his anger comes down. When his anger comes down, then we'll return back. Meanwhile, I will be in my father's house. Jennifer, go and meet your sister. Unpack my bags, put everything in the place it should be, and tidy the house. This is my father's house.
Ayaka, please. Forget all those forming. See, I'm from Omumba. My family and I came back from the city because things were not moving fine for us.
What? Guinea? Hey, and you have been fooling us.
Please forget all those things. That was for me to know if I can see someone I can hook up with. One of my girlfriends, she featured in P-Square's video. And now she's a big girl. She has connections. She has money. Ayaka, if you do after we go.
Now I know the problem. Don't worry. I will do my best and leave the rest for God.
Ayaka, see, I want you to connect me to that guy. See, I watched him perform at that guest shop the other day. Oh, I really like his music.
You watched him and you like it? Wow. See, I told you. Very soon the video will be out.
Ayaka Bikozian.
Then I'll come back.
Ayaka Biko ni bedem donana Bikozian.
Well, I will see what I can do. Because he told me that he will be going to the city to do the stuff. Then I will let me go and find out if he has gone or not. Then I will give you the feedback.
See, Ayaka, if you do this thing for me, hey! If you do this for me, I will do something that will make you go wow.
No. Don't even go there. Look at the wow you did. Look at the result. You want to do another one? Please carry your wow. Go to another place.
See, sorry. But I will do something that will blow your head.
Blow my head? I don't even want my head to blow. Leave my head the way it is, please.
What do you want now? Okay, see, just do it first. I will do anything you want.
Let me think about it, then I will come back and tell you if I will do it or not. Please, 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 carry your wow.
Asanwa. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Achike is traveling to the city. He wants to go and record his album, and I'm going to miss him greatly.
And what is the meaning of that? What has come you're going to miss him? Eh? I've asked you time without number. If there's anything between you and Achike, it's a number. So, missing Akama Watarazi.
Must there be anything between us before I miss him? Eh? I miss him now. He's been like a brother to me. I see him every day of my life. So now, any day I don't see him, it's obvious I'm going to miss him. Let me even ask you, Mama, if I travel today, won't you miss me?
I will miss you. Because you're my daughter.
He's my friend now. He's my friend. That's why I will miss him.
Adia mama.
In fact, let me start going to the shop.
Asanwane maka, asanwane toka, achaluko ni soka, ifeke asambuko mo, opi mo posangole, opi ma sambuko mo, potela ni kwa chaka inova, achikono pamwaino, potela nyanu chika itaba.
I don't see why you people are preparing for what you know you cannot be able to finish. In fact, we don't even have practice today. We don't have practice. So
I don't care. You and your friends will not take what belongs to us. Oh, what is it now? Ha!
How? Achike is now a musician. He wants to make a good hip-hop song from this village dance. Everybody will benefit from it. Even those that are abroad will benefit from it. It will be a very good thing. So I don't know.
And you think me and my friends are not good enough to partake in that video? Me, am I not good enough to partake in that video?
Like this?
Yes, now.
Who told you that? Like this, you are putting on Mary Amaka. And what is this?
Remove your hand.
Eh? And you want to feature in it? No. It can't be possible. For your information, Achike has chosen Asanwa. What? In case you don't know. He has chosen Asanwa. Asanwa is his best friend. And Asanwa will also appear in that musical video. So if you don't know it now. Just go and tell your people. All of you should go and rest. In case you don't know.
It will never be possible. Not possible. Who is Asanwa? Me and my friends will all be in that video. What is it?
All this
am I not beautiful enough?
Amanda possible. All this is not possible. Okay. Go and prepare.
What is it?
Go and prepare. You want to appear in musical video
now?
With this face? Eh? With this face that looks like what they use in grinding an okra. Greta. Look at you. It can't be possible. I'm even thinking of what to do to my own face so that I can appear in that video because I'm a good dancer.
I don't even need to stand there and be talking to you. I must be in that video. I'm leaving you.
Leave me and go tell your people it will not be possible. If you like, prepare for war.
Nonsense.
Prepare for war with your, look at, I don't even know what is shaking. I'm even thinking about myself to see if I can arrange this my face very well so that I can appear in that musical video. You are here talking, putting saliva on my face. Chukuzorogi, I would have destroyed this your two left legs. Nonsense. And then shake you now. I guess I don't know what is shaking. Do you know I don't care.
What is it? Mama, can you imagine? My phone is dead. I didn't even see any way to charge it. How do I contact my cosmate?
Is that why you're so angry? You would have told me now. Let me just go enter inside the village and look for where to charge your phone for you.
Mama, I am not happy. My phone is off. My phone is off. How do I contact my friends?
Jennifer, this is your mother's house. So if you want to charge your phone, you just tell me. We'll go anywhere and charge your phone.
Mama, I want to go back. If Achike wants to kill me, let him kill me. I want to go back.
Amuche, I want to go to the farm.
Brother, is there anywhere they charge phones here? So that I can take her to charge her own phone?
No, not at all. You see, I have told you, it will not help you. Neither will it help the children. Running away to come and stay here is wrong. If you want to come and visit me, that's a different thing. But running away, that is not acceptable. No!
No, brother. I should not stay in my father's house. I should not stay in my father's house because Amuche wants to charge her phone. I have come to stay. This is my father's house. Give me. Look at the person I even want to help.
My brother, how was your journey?
It was, I don't know. To locate this place was stressful. But I thank God I'm here.
You're welcome, eh? Yeah, we are going to meet the man as we discussed.
It's alright.
Do you have the CD with you?
Yes, I have it. It's in my bag at the boot.
I can see you're very weak.
I'm tired and hungry.
Okay, no problem. When we get out, you eat, eh?
It's alright.
Yeah, let's go.
It's alright.
Achike! Yeah, Amuche! I know she will not answer me. Maybe he has gone to Asa's shop.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Yes?
I'm Sandra, Jennifer's friend. Is she in?
Mba. I've been knocking and nobody seems to answer.
Okay. How can I see her? This is very important.
I don't know. Call her on her phone.
I've been trying since last night, but switched off.
Keep on trying.
Okay, sir.
You will get her. I'm going to look for Achike. Go now, no? Don't worry. Oh, you're not there. Try the number. I'm going to see Achike.
Brother, I don't know. He said he's going to go.
Go down.
Mr. Ben, my friend.
My man, Risa. How now?
Fine, long time.
This is the guy I've been telling you, Achike.
Oh, Achike, you're welcome.
He's a talented magician.
Yeah, you told me.
Yeah, he got some tracks in this deck. When you go through it, you get to know.
Oh. Well, yeah, Mr. Ben, you know how it goes. It's really nice you have a unique concept, but I still have to listen to this, you know? I'll still have to listen to this. And if it sells, you know, consider yourself signed, young man. You will sing with me, okay?
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, I don't know what, but one thing I know is that listening to it, I promise you will not be disappointed.
You don't need to worry. Eh? He's one of the best in the country. You should the best music producer in the country, so don't worry about it.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Hey.
You should tell him that. You should tell him. You should tell him. Do you have a phone? Because I'll be getting back to you as soon as possible.
Oh.
I don't have a phone.
I'll get him a phone today.
I would need him to have a phone because I'm getting back to him as soon as possible, okay? And Mr. Ben.
So when are you calling him?
Today or tomorrow. As a matter of fact, young man, you are remaining. You are not going anywhere. Make sure he doesn't go, okay? Mr. Ben, I'll call you. I'll give you a call. Thank you very much. Okay, I'll listen to this.
So you mean Achike has gone to the city?
Yes, so I'm so happy. It's just that I don't have a phone. I would have called to know if he has seen them.
Hey, Ben is a good man. So very soon we will appear on TV.
Everywhere.
God will bless him.
Amen.
Hey, so these people, they really want to help us. God will bless him.
Amen.
Welcome, sir. How are you? How are you?
Ichie,
hello.
You are welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
Fine, sir.
We are fine, sir. What do you care for, sir?
Achikona?
No, sir.
I went to his house to look for him, but I didn't find him. I thought he would be here.
No, sir, he's not here. He went to the city.
Yeah, city?
Yes.
He has gone to the city.
But he didn't tell us so. Ibe and I had wanted to see him. We want to give him part of his land. So that if he wants to sell it, he can go out there ahead and sell it to do his music.
Oh, that's a good news. He'll be so happy to hear that. But he's not around. He might come back today, sir.
Okay. As soon as he comes, tell him. Okay. So let him come and see us, eh?
God will bless you.
Thank you. And Azukwa?
God will bless you. Greet your family. Yeah, they really want to help you.
Yes, sir. I'm happy.
God, please do something.
God has done something.
Yes, and he will do more.
Omego. Hey. Careful.
Say no mango. But is there any good pepper soup? Or more than the milk, as usual?
Yes, there
Let
is.
me have it.
But everything, is there any good 500 or 1,000? I'll go and bring it.
You are bigger than
Hey, don't tell me that. Don't even start with this your trick today. This is how you come to this place every day. You come up with one acting and I will give you food. Every day, you come up with one thing, I will give you one thing. Today,
I will not want. Stop all these things. You are bigger than all these things.
I have everything, man.
My brother Chike, this is your room. This is your room.
This place?
Yeah. Yes.
Hey, Okaben, thank you so much.
Thank you, my
I
brother.
appreciate I don't know how to thank you, Okaben. You mean this is my room?
We are brothers, so from the same place. So what I can do for you?
Hey! Who on earth will believe that chicken can sleep in this kind of place? Look at bed.
My brother, you don't even know your words. Because if you know your words, you know that by this time tomorrow, you're already made. And once they sign you, they will give you cars. They'll give you a car to start with first. They will give you house. They will give you cash.
Hey, and of course, get also a car, a house, and money.
Yeah, you already made.
God, in that case, I cannot sleep. I have to do night vigil. All night. Hey, I know my guys will be waiting for me as I come and see where Achike is. That means I'm not going back tomorrow.
You said going back? You're not going anywhere. Once they sign you, you take off. It will take you another 8 months before you go back to the village because you start performing for them immediately.
You said 8 months?
Yeah.
You did that for 8 months, you made 2 years, more 10 years. Can you imagine the village? I cannot do that. Hey! Ebu Noja,
Achike, my
Achike.
Achike, your man. Your man.
They're going to Achike Rabakafia.
Your man.
Ebu Achike Rabakafia.
I'll be going. I'll see you later, eh?
Hi!
Yeah. Just enjoy your room, eh?
Ebu Achike Rabakafia.
Come back here.
Leave me. I want to go back to my father's house. Mama, leave me alone. Mama, leave me.
What is wrong with you? Every time leave me, I'm going.
Mama, I'm leaving. I'm going back to my father's house. If Achike wants to kill me, let him kill me. What is it?
Is your father's house better than my own father's house? What is wrong? I'm asking you.
Mama, even my phone, I can't even charge it. Look at it, it's off. I can't even contact my friends. I'm leaving this village.
You want to charge this phone? I will charge this phone. Both of you are staying. You people will not leave this place without me. You want to go back to your father's house so that useless, good for nothing boy will kill people. Nobody will call my name. You are staying here.
Give me.
Mama, give me the phone. Give me, let me go and charge it. Let me go and charge the phone.
Mama,
let me go and charge the phone.
Mama, if you like charge the phone, I will leave the house. I will leave this village today. Where are you? I'm leaving this village. I'm leaving this village.
Tell you.
Thank God I met you. I went to go and look for Achike. He's nowhere to be found. They said he has gone to the city. When I know? To the city? No. How many did he get the money? Are you sure he has not gone to Amuche to collect money? Even if he went there to collect money from Amuche, has he not suffered for her? That boy suffered for that woman. I went there, I looked for her, and I can't find any one of them. It's good for her. Maybe she's on the run. Because Achike, I know, will never let her rest. That sounds alright too. She came to me and said I should talk to Achike. And I said, get out to my side because you are evil. That's good. Yes, that woman is evil. I will continue to blame Amadi for getting married to her because I warned him. He will never listen. He refused. Okay, look at what is happening now. If you come.
Are you sure he will come?
My brother, he was the one that called for us to wait for him here. So cool down, he will soon join us. He'll be here. My brother, Yakuzinagi.
Because you know these are Nogene music and it might sound local to them. They might not like it.
No. This is one of the best producers in town, so maybe Akonagako.
Right, Mr. Ben, how are you? Sorry for keeping you guys waiting.
Good morning,
Sorry
sir.
for keeping you waiting.
So, how did he go?
Oh, I've been trying to fix something for this young man. Okay. But eventually you're a lucky young man. I'll work with you.
Are we working with you? Oh, Jesus. God.
Your life has
God. God, why did you decide to do this for an orphan like me? Hey, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay, you know what? Thanks for bringing me. We have something to do right now. You'll be working with us this weekend. We have a show for you. So I'll have to put something for you together. Something very sharp as soon as possible so that you can start working with me, okay?
I have people that do backup stuff for me in the village. Should I bring them?
Oh, young man, leave that. You have everything you need here. Get him ready. Bring him. Let's go.
Organist, do you want to kill yourself because of a chicken? Calm down. He will come back, okay?
Mama, that's why I'm sad. Mama. It's been 8 months. I've not heard from him. I don't even know if he succeeded or suffering over there. And ever since they traveled, Ben has not been to this village. I'm so confused.
Sister, calm down. I know Brother Chike very well. If he didn't succeed, he would have been back to the village by now. Something tells me that he succeeded.
That is the point. Because before Chike left this village, I knew an agreement. The agreement was that once he succeeds, he will come back to this place and take all of us to the city so we can shoot the musical video together.
Let's just keep our fingers crossed. Oh, Mom, please, he will come back. Oh, just go to the shop. I beg you.
Go to the shop and sell what, Mama? Go to the shop and sell what? There's absolutely nothing to sell in that shop. I sold almost everything and gave the money to Achike. Believing and hoping that he will be back very soon. I'm not knowing Jesse Jeto.
It's again, sister. You made a very big mistake. So you sold everything and gave all the money to Achike.
I didn't say strong everything.
So why are we in this condition? See the result.
I will not interfere in Achike's business. Because I asked you from the onset, what is between you and Achike? You told me nothing. Let's come here and get cool.
Oh, if not this small seat, somebody used to go to the shop and leave them. Not this week we came now because of
shop.
Mr. King, I tell you something, man. Biasa is going to stand there for me. I'm going to take the stage. I'm going to take the whole crowd.
Tell me that again, man.
I don't look at any of their takes. I tell you something, man. I'm going to hold it down for them.
Yeah, babe. You ain't did the man.
You can say that again, B.
Man, you know what, bro? I'm going to tell you this. I probably never have time to tell you again. You're doing me proud, man.
You serious?
You're doing me proud, man. With you, man, I don't have any...
Thanks, my nigga. Thanks, Mr. King.
You're giving us a lot back.
Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. My nigga. Ratty, the man from Jamaica. Mr. King, I tell you something, man. There's this song that's been coming to my head quite a long time now. But it's quite different from what I do, you know what I mean? And I don't know if you're gonna like it. But you know, in this game, one got to be very versatile.
Stop.
You niggas gonna like it.
Stop.
Alright, it comes this way. Said, one that was hanging out with my crew. Wow. You niggas just like chill, take a chill pill. Let me finish this shit, alright?
Yeah.
Said, one that was hanging out with my crew, playing shouting in the hole. Then I saw this gun open. She was looking very cool. Oh God, I couldn't be. I put my money on this for you guys. You see, my nigga believe you know what I mean.
You know what? If you game, we could do this tonight, man.
Tonight?
Let's see the studio. We could do this. We'll make a lot of fun.
Just hold on. Let me tell you something now. You're gonna pay me this time to feature me, and I'm damn serious.
Yeah. What's your boyfriend?
Yes, it is, bro.
All right, baby. I'll tell you something, man. Come out of that greed of yours, now. You know, soon the medias are gonna write about us. We're gonna be everywhere, Facebook, Instagram, name it.
Hey, let's keep that baby thing. You guys will do that when you get to the room. Right now, let's go back to my business. We hit the studio, you give me that, then we sell it out of the market. Watch us sit back and laugh.
You love it?
I love it.
What's up with you, Rati? Sure. Do you love it? It's cool for you? Can you do something about the song or something? Maybe.
Yeah, for real. Like when you said, sometimes I got you in my crib. You know what I'm gonna say? Like you get it.
Jamaica!
I'm proud of you too, man.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you.
Proud to be. Respect the life.
So what's up, babe? Are we still going to the club tonight?
Definitely.
Yeah,
Willows is so still minutes now. Willows, for real.
Yeah, man. You're giving me a lot of money. I have to do anything for you, bro. You don't know how much you'll be giving me, right?
I can do anything for you, my nigga.
That's my baby.
Come on.
You make me wine.
Mama, I'm worried. Are you sure Chike is not lost wherever he is?
Mama, it's true. Because his girlfriend don't even know his whereabouts.
That is not my problem now. This is not what I'm thinking now. Both of you should be worried about how we are going to survive. Your father is dead. And I'm missing his absence so badly. A man is needed at home. Yeah? When is this suffering going to end?
I wish we didn't fight with that chicken. He would have been here to take care of us. Look at me. My IT will soon be over. I did not see any place to do it. I don't know, we are just suffering.
Mama, please. Let's go and beg those elders. Let me see if there's any way they will help us. We are suffering. Mama, we are suffering. We die of hunger here. We are suffering, Mama. I will go and beg them. I have no choice, because we don't have anything in this house again. The little money that I was even hiding is finished. Nowhere to get the money. This world is wicked. Not to accord.
Achika natago, Achika uchigo, Opukwe gowe nato bodo, Imana level change go, Anige jo bodo yibo, weti ya chikolo Ekwani enwegisi, yokwana chikolo Ọ̀rọ̀ obodo gbakọbanụ ka anyị tiba chikolo achikolo ndị obodo gbakọbanụ ka anyị zọba chikolo achikolo ọ̀rọ̀ obodo gbakọbanụ ka anyị tiba chikolo.
You're welcome. What do you want to buy?
Ndị obodo gbakọbanụ
Achike!
Wait. What the fuck are you doing? What do you just want to do? You want to hug my guy? Are you crazy or something? Look at this village champion. Jeez.
You actually want to hug me?
What is this?
You actually want to hug me? Do you actually want to hug me? Looking this way? Can you imagine it? You're sweating, B. Have you taken your bed for like 2 weeks? If I mistake it, okay, for like 2 months. No, you're booming.
Who is this village girl? Do you know you smell? Do you know you stink? Look at you. Look at the way you're sweating and you want to hug my guy?
I don't get it. What the fuck are you putting on your hair? Is this a wig or what? Where did you pick this from? Or Chanjasani?
Are you crazy or something?
You should try it. You should ride.
What
Yeah,
is
talk
this?
to her. I know.
What is this?
I know who she is.
Hey! Don't even go close to him.
Chicken what? Man, fuck that chicken name on all that. Man, what's up with you, man? I'm the swag bag. Fuck all that. I tell you something, babe. You got to take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Look tush, look posh. I hate it when local ass ladies clock around me. I don't like it. See who I'm balling with. Web 5. Hey! Fuck all that.
Hey! Don't try it. You smell, you stink. Don't go close to my guy. I'm warning you. Don't make me lose it. Let's get out of here. Let's go. Let's get out of here.
You can't be the local girl. You cannot.
Baby.
You cannot.
I said let's go.
Sorry, baby.
Let us go.
For your information. You know what? I tell you something, man. I've gone global. I've gone worldwide. I'm being recognized in the way I am. I can't stick around with a loaf like you. The village rat. You know, I came around now. I felt it's necessary I come say hi. But me, says I'm away. I'm not wake on me. Don't even like me. Hey, what's up with you?
Let's go.
What's going down with you? Wanna eat me up? Wanna lick? I dust that shit for you. Wanna lick it? You know how much I got this for? $750.
Achika natago, Achika uchigo, Opukwe gowe nato bodo, Imana level change go, Anige jo bodo yibo, weti ya chikolo Ekwani enwegisi, yokona chikolo Orobodo bakobanu kaitiba chikolo.
Ogini, what is it?
What is it? Achike is back to this village. On Natago. He has finally made money from Achikolo music.
Chelu. It is serious for egu kinegu ya.
Inajum. Megu. Kino egu egu. Adim ko egu egu. Inesilu manya ndiko egu egu. Assuming you guys you are serious with our dance. At least we have gone far by now.
Then now whose fault? Neka left to the city to stay with the sister. You to claim to be busy in your mother's shop. Wagodum or you could come the more potassium by a buegu. Who else will come for the practice? I'm a shaggy. Oh, you know the missing cake and miss when I got it. Kiana made you a fire chicken. Oh, go find again.
Hey! If you want to, when you have Menata, you can't walk a motor cab or quarter and as Obondo. Hey!
I will go and see him. I'll go to the house now and see him. Go and see what I told you girls. If there is no competition in destiny. We are not serious with ours. He has made it. Let me rush and see him. Hey! I will find a way I'll take myself to him.
Hey, smell Bembe, would you come and see you? No, I can't take it. Is he a chicken that just left this place like this, or am I dreaming? Someone should wake me up. Allah. He told me he's going to see his people. So he now have people. Achike, who are his people? Can then they his people? Mobo no Asanwa. Asanwa is the only person he has. Kito Onwego people. But I'm sleeping. Someone should wake me up.
Give me a bottle of
Someone should wake me up. Yeah, but lost. Achike, you can't treat me like this now. Yeah, then.
Asa, give me a bottle of Coke.
Am I sleeping? Yeah. Am I sleeping? Am I sleeping?
When you were here talking to me and you're asking me, are you sleeping? I don't understand. I need a bottle of Coke.
No, just go and come back next month. Go and come back next month. No Coke. Hey. Just go. Hey.
Asa, are you okay?
Achike, you can't treat me like this. You can't treat me like this after everything. So you now have another girl as your girlfriend. They rule us.
Give me a bottle of Coke.
I don't take Coke anymore. No Coke. Coke will get a baby also. Can't go here now,
Okay, so what do you?
Achike, I'm dreaming. It's not possible now. Hey, I want to run. Achike. Achike, this is you. Hi. What have I done? What have I done? I'm sorry. Me especially. For all that I have done. On behalf of
my children. You come, you don't sit close on. My children, we're sorry.
It's alright. You don't have a problem, right? It's alright. I'll forgive you, right? You're my family. You're part of me. You know that? So I had you a whole lot. I had you on it.
Thank you.
No matter what,
I regret ever treating you the way we did. I'm so sorry.
Darling, it's just
thank you, brother.
Yeah.
Brother, thank you. I regretted the way we treated you.
It's no problem, you know.
Thank you, brother.
Alright, let's go outside. I've got a whole lot of shit for you on it. You know what I mean? Yeah, stay out. Some stuff, right?
Brother, we miss you.
Achika natago.
Nine. Boss, all is well.
All is well, all is well. My son told me that my late brother's son is back.
Which of your late brother's son?
Achike, the one you know.
Achike?
Achike came back from the city with a very big cow.
Hey! You mean Achike is in this town?
My son told me that his music is making waves in the city.
Nine.
I didn't believe him. I want to go and confirm.
Hey! Asanwa ilupa mona. Nine. Balakene jeben nabia. Ne jen nabia. Hey!
Kain soba chikolo. Chikolo. Orobodo makobanu. Kain tiba chikolo.
Who would have believed that it's the same Achike that I was so bad to that I was humiliating that will not come back to buy clothes for me?
Mama, the world is full of surprises. I didn't believe that Achike will get to this way. Mama, God has a way of doing his own thing.
Seriously, my daughter.
Do you know my happiness? That he did not hold the grudge against us. I love her. Hey, Achike, brother, Achike.
So, my daughter, now that things are so stressed for us, that Achike has to come back. To take care of us. Isn't God wonderful? Can you imagine? I wish God will forgive me for being the bad mother. God will forgive me. My husband does not deserve to die the way he did. I wish he is still alive so that I can show him the good side of me.
Mama is okay. It's okay. Mama is okay. See what we're trying to tell you. Thank God you have a good. Achike is such a nice person. That's what I realize. Only family. Mama
is not dead.
Mama is okay.
Are you serious that Achike is back?
Ayaka, I don't understand. I just think I'm dreaming. I don't believe this is happening in Ezoku. Because the way I saw Achike and the way Achike treated me, Obura Achike ma that would treat me like this.
Hey!
It's not the Achike I know that would treat me like this. Smack my kiss. Oh, don't touch me. Oh, you stink. Sweat.
I cannot smack Achike. I don't.
You don't mean it. Even the way he used to hug you, play with you, drink together, he stopped everything. Which family does he know? Is it the family that wanted to cut off his neck?
In fact, I believe I'm dreaming. It's not happening. So you have to go to their house and find out if who I saw is Achike.
Eh? No. Check. Let me check if you are dreaming.
See, go to their place and find out if that person is Achike.
Okay.
Let me go and freshen up.
You are not dreaming, no. You are not dreaming.
Answer go down.
Eh?
Let me go and freshen up.
Okay, you go and freshen up. You are not dreaming, no. You are not dreaming. Let me go and show you.
Ndobodo mapotano kain soba chikolo. Chikolo.
My son, Achike. Ina kusiegu. So you are now a big musician now.
Big one. Yeah, uncle, you know, I never expected it to be this big, you know what I mean? But it came as a flash. God was on top of it.
Your cousin, told us that they hear you on radio, television, and they give up internet. He did not believe it. He said does not even believe you are the one.
Are you serious? I'll tell him I'm the one. Tell him I'm the one. Moreover, you tell him to call me. I'm gonna fix you up with my number, right?
This is what we pray for. I never knew you are going to buy a bigger car. and Ogene. With your Ogene you used to carry about.
Ukulwani. I'm sorry, the girl is my woman. You understand? She's a musician as well. So she came down here with me. But after this, we'll go back to the hotel because we'll have a whole lot to talk this now. But before then, I've got some gift for you. This is a Hennessy, you know what I mean? Yeah, this for you. And this for you.
Ukulole! Why? So bad. You are welcome.
It's not.
We are with you.
Right.
You know,
when we get to the castle, I'll fix you with some cash. Yeah, when we get to the castle, I'll fix you with some cash. That's just so.
Why did you change this coach? Who is that girl you came back with? You don't know.
For your notice, that girl is a musician like me. You know what I mean? She's my friend. By the way, I don't want to talk about her. You and I were like sister and brother. Why are you not jealous? Are you tripping for me?
I don't want to discuss her. She's a friend. A friend that couldn't even allow me to come close to you. I know what I suffered. I know what I went through. She's your friend. You don't want to talk about it.